What's your name, baby?
This is Zoe.
Zoe. Have we had you here before, Zoe?
No, I don't think so.
Familiar. That face. I don't know what it is. That face and those feet.
She is a return from a couple years ago.
Oh.
So maybe a couple years ago.
Why did somebody bring you back?
They decided with 2 children that they had no time for her.
Oh, well. So how old are you? Like 4?
She's 3.
3. Somebody's interested in you. That was Wayne. He works with the penguins.
What do you think?
Oh.
What do you think,
Zoe?
Everybody says she's so sweet.
She seems to be, yes.
So sweet. Everybody loves her at the shelter. And they also say she does her business outside.
Is she good with other pooches? Or?
She does. She really likes other pooches. And she's just a sweet girl. She also likes kids. This is a good family dog.
Perfect.
Good family dog.
What are you made out of?
So,
it's hard to tell.
Do you see Beagle in her face?
A little bit in the snout, slightly, but I mean more.
There's a lot going on in there.
More bully there, it looks like.
Yeah, we say pit bull beagle, but
that could be. Yeah, that might be how the blend looks. Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
She's certainly little.
One more. Oh, you little booger. No, you're not gonna do it.
Come here.
I got my head down. I got my head down. I'm busy. Nope. I'm busy. I'm busy.
Follow the dustbin.